how to be headless in Roblox. So first, what we need to do is click on the three lines on our main Roblox page, and here we want to select avatar. Now this is the closest thing we have to becoming faceless or headless, sorry. So from here, what we need to do is hover over head and body, and then click on skin tone, the second option. From here, you want to scroll down and select advanced. Then click on head and select this option right here, the blackest one. As you can see, it looks like you don't have a head anymore. Then click on done. Another thing you can do is again hover over head and body and then click on scale, and here you can play around with the settings, either R6 or R15, and make sure you make the head as small as possible. So 95%, like so. You can still kind of see that we have a face, but you can play around with these settings. And like I said, this is the closest thing we have to headless from the settings, from within the settings itself. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. I hope this was useful. Make sure to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.